What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Iowa, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some gourmet grilled cheese sandwiches. Easier than you would think, baby. But what do we got to do to get it done? Get started. So let's get started, shall we? Shall we? You heard me right, baby. Gourmet grilled cheese. And you're saying to yourself, Black Iowa, I ain't never seen you do nothing gourmet in your life. And especially with grilled cheese. How you gonna make a grilled cheese gourmet? Well, I'm here to tell you the truth. Really not that gourmet. It's kind of easy to make. But you're gonna feel fancy as hell when you eat it. And I'll show you how. You know, this is great too because on a night like tonight, I just got off work. I'm dog-ass tired. I don't feel like cooking. And what's the first thing I hear every night when I get the door? What do you want for dinner? Which basically means, what are you cooking for dinner? So this is real easy. It's real good. You get it done fast. Then you can go sit and drink your beer and watch Sanford and Son like I want to be doing right now. So, first things first, we've got our bread. Get that bread, baby. Next, we're going to add a little turkey. And you're saying, Black Iowa, I thought this was a grilled cheese. Yes and no. You see, to me, a meal is not a meal without some meat, baby. You got to have that meat in there or I ain't gonna eat. I'm that kind of guy. And I know some of you have that plant-based lifestyle. Some of you are vegan, and I love you, baby. Do your thing. But your boy Black Iowa, I'm just not that way. I don't run that way. I'm a carnivore by nature. So we're gonna put 2 slices of turkey on here, and this is some nice turkey. And then when I say nice, I mean nice and cheap. Good cut on it though. Good thickness, good texture. Not just that old 99-cent bullshit. Next thing we're going to do is take some American cheese. Yellow. And now you're saying, Black Iowa, that ain't gourmet. What did I just tell you? Ghetto gourmet. 1 slice of the regular Americano. Then I got some pepper jack. Because you know me, baby, I like a little kick in mine. We're going to take the pepper jack, put it right in the middle, and then we're going to top it with another piece of the other cheese. Because, you know, we want a cheesy, baby. It's grilled cheese. Shit. Now, you look at that and tell me that that ain't gourmet. Tell me that ain't good eating, baby. And when you assemble these things, you know, some people, and I say some people and I mean me, make the mistake of putting the bread, the bottom piece of bread, in the pan and then trying to assemble all this on top while the pan is hot. You're going to burn the bottom when you do that, baby. You don't want to burn the bottom. And if you do, I'm going to come over and do what Bernie Mac used to say. I'm going to bust your head till the white meat show. You know what I'm talking about? I wouldn't do that to you, but shit, you don't want to do that either. So, we've got our sandwich assembled. And what we're going to do is go ahead and assemble the rest of them. And you just keep going down the line. Basically, what I do is I just go until I run out of shit. And then that's when I know that I'm done. So, we've got them done. We're going to put them in the pan. And then we're going to cook them up. And then when we're done, maybe we kind of did the reverse. We assembled last instead of, we assembled first instead of last. I need a drink. I'm not thinking clearly. Oh, I'm too sober. So, we're going to come back with that hot pan and the hot me, and we'll be back. We'll be back. All right, baby, the pan is ready, and I'm ready too. So, let's get our sandwich, and you know what to do. Put it in, put it in, put it in, baby. Stick it right on now. Now you want to get your pan good and hot. We're going to get this done quick. We ain't fucking around tonight. Sanford and Son starts soon, and I ain't going to miss old Shady Grady and the adventures of the Sanfords. So, I want you to do me a favor. Get you some butter and put a generous amount right on top, baby, because that's going to help it cook and not be all burnt and nasty, you see. This isn't going to take very long at all. Just long enough to melt the cheese. Got the butter on there. Got all our sandwiches in there. Let me go grab a spatula real quick. Excuse me. Got it, baby. Now, like I said, we'll let this cook just a little while, and then we're going to flip it over. And when I flip it over, I'll show you what I mean. Because when we flip, it's going to try to fall apart on you. So you kind of have to put your hands in there. It's a little hands-on work, but it's going to be worth it, baby. Ooh, yeah, you're going to have all that cheese. You're going to be stocked up for days, boy. Oh, yeah, but it's going to be good. It's going to be good. You're going to be backed up like traffic on I-70 when you're trying to go to the Royals game on a Friday in rush hour traffic, sir. Ooh, God, you might need some Pepto or something. Anyways, get those in there, get them cooked, and let's go ahead and flip this one over because I'm telling you, it doesn't take long at all. looky, looky. And you can hear that butter sizzle. That's gonna give it a little drizzle on top. Now, you can stand here and drink a little beer, and before you know it, these suckers gonna be done. And I'm gonna be ready to stand back in the light and look at the gourmet grilled cheese tonight. Ooh, what a sight. Alright baby, the time has come. The gourmet grilled cheese is done. And I'm going to have that first bite just for me. Now, something I didn't tell you because it's not time yet. Last thing, finishing touch baby, finishing touch. I want you to take some Parmesan cheese and sprinkle it right on the top of that bad dude right there. If I can get it out. Ooh, 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 ooh. Extra cheesy baby. And now it's time for my bite. Oh, that makes me want to sing like George Harrison. My sweet Lord. Ooh, hallelujah. Good stuff, baby. Good stuff. Well, thank y'all for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one. Stay cheesy, baby, and I'll see you next time.